Numbers and strings. Numbers. In C, there are several built-in data types for representing numbers. These include 1. Integers. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or 0. In C, you can use the int data type to store integers. By default, an int can hold values ranging from -21474883648 to 21474883647. If you need to store larger or smaller numbers, you can use one of the other integer data types, such as long or short. 2. Floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are numbers with decimal points. In C, you can use the float and double data types to store floating point numbers. The float data type is used for single precision numbers, while double is used for double precision numbers. 3. Characters. Characters are single letters or symbols. In C, you can use the char data type to store characters. A char is typically stored as a single byte in memory and can hold any character from the ASCII character set. It is important to use the correct data type when storing numbers in C, as this determines how much memory is allocated for the value and how it is interpreted by the compiler. Strings. Strings are used to store text in Arduino. They can be used to display text on an LCD screen, send text to the serial monitor, or store user input. There are two ways to define strings in Arduino. Character array. A character array is an array of characters that ends with a null character, \0. The null character is a special character that tells Arduino where the end of the string is. Example: char str equals hello world. String object. The string object is a built-in Arduino object that provides a set of functions for manipulating strings. Example: string street equals hello world. To print a string to the serial monitor, serial.println.str. To display a string on an LCD screen, lcd.print.str. To use a string in a calculation, int length equals str length. Strings special characters. The \\/ symbol. Escape character turns special characters into string characters. \/ single quote. \/ double quote. \\\\\\. Other popular escape characters in C are \n new line, \t tab, \0 null. String functions. Arduino provides a set of string manipulation functions that you can use to work with strings in Arduino sketches. These functions are part of the string class, which is a built-in class in the Arduino environment. Here are some commonly used string functions in Arduino. String constructor. You can create a string object using its constructor and initialize it with a string or a character array. String myString equals hello Arduino. Length returns the length of the string. Int len equals myString.length. Charat retrieves the character at a specific position in the string, 0 based index. Char mychar equals myString.charat5. // retrieves the character at index 5. Concat appends another string or character to the end of the current string. MyString.concat. How are you? Index of searches for the first occurrence of a substring in the string and returns its starting index. Index equals MyString.index of Arduino. Substring extracts a portion of the string based on start and end indices. String substring equals MyString.substring 613. // extracts Arduino. Starts with and ends with. Check if the string starts or ends with a specific substring. Bool starts equals MyString.starts with hello. Bool ends equals MyString.ends with you. To char array converts a string object into a character array. Char array 20. MyString.toChar array 20. C_str returns a pointer to the internal character array, null terminated, of the string object. Useful for interfacing with C-style functions. Constchar **C string equals MyString.C_str. Equals ignore case. Compares two strings while ignoring case. Bool is equals MyString that equals ignore case. Hello? Arduino